when the chairman is speaking, respect the chairman, please. We are all co-equal.
Kumakain ako, bigla kang umirit. Yeah.
The gentleman that you are, please address the chairman, please.
Kung itatakal natin. Tapos ngayon, nakapag-rule ka na without asking the body. Floor.
No, I'm trying to get your time because I am the chairman. What I said was, because manifestation yon, when the chairman is speaking, respect the chairman, please. We are all co-equal. The procedure that we are following here are first the resolution that is filed and referred to this committee are given the preferential treatment. But having said that, your issue dwell on the same issue that was filed by Congressman J.J. Suarez. And since can we kindly see your deputization? Can you kindly submit to this committee? So we will be allowing you to be a part of the discussion and the voting process if ever that a voting will be needed because
Also,
of this
Mr. Chair,
deputization. But okay, go ahead.
We also have the same persons involved. I think the RD, since we are from the same region,
Yeah.
our RD here is also part of our investigation.
And in that case, we will be asking the body, if your manifestation of trying to include that same issue in relation to the resolution that was filed by Deputy Speaker J.J. Suarez to be laid on this committee. So, what's the pleasure of the body? So there is a manifestation of our good congresswoman from First District that her issue on her privileged speech be a part of the discussion of the resolution of Congressman J.J. Suarez. So that's the issue that we have to settle.
Chairman,
Yes, sir.
Mr. Chairman, just to clear things, with regards to deputization of Congresswoman Matibag,
Please sit down, Congressman Paduano, please.
problema, kumakain ako, bigla kang umirit. Yeah. Chairman, thank you. Chairman Akop, thank you. Maraming utang to kay Chairman Akop. Anyway, Mr. Chairman, with regards to the deputization
Order,
of,
please. Okay, go
of
ahead.
Congresswoman Matibag, of course, it's the right of the Deputy Majority Leader to deputize. Now, he has all the authority and the right, especially during voting. Now, with regards to the issue being raised by Congresswoman Matibag on her privileged speech, am I correct? Privileged speech?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
That is not a resolution. That is not a reso filed by you. Privileged speech. Now, unless otherwise, Mr. Chairman, the privileged speech of the Honorable Matibag was referred to this committee.
It was, sorry.
Yes, as a matter of fact, it was referred
we
already.
can. So there's no need, Mr. Chairman, to discuss about it because...
No, we are not going to discuss it. The
No.
manifestation of Congresswoman Matibag
I know.
is to allow this body to tackle that on the next hearing. Not now. Yun ang kanyang manifestation eh.
kailan ba yung privileged speech mo? Yung referral sa public, public
It
order?
was referred, Mr. Chair, last week.
Last
right,
week.
Comsec?
We have 5-day rule, under the rules, we have 5-day rule.
May I remind the gentleman that you are, please address the chairman, please.
Anyway, napaka-stricto tong chairman na to. Anyway, sa sunod sa akin, may araw ka rin. Anyway, Mr. Chairman, ganito lang po. We have 5-day rule. Now, if that is covered by the 5-day rule,
Last week ba?
today is our hearing, no? And if the privilege speech which was referred to this committee is germane to the issue being tackled with regards to House resolution of DSGJ and the Honorable Mujib Bataman, we can consolidate it with just one motion. then we can also discuss today.
So,
Today.
Congresswoman Ann Matibag, a while ago you have this manifestation of your privilege speech to be a part of the discussion based on the resolution of Congressman Suarez. Now, I think the good gentleman from hindi, ano niya?
Party.
Abang Lingkod Party List wanted you to have a motion for this committee to act on it. Go ahead,
Mr. Chairman, sandali po.
Yes,
Comsec
Congressman
has
Paduano.
clarified. Yes, Comsec. Pasok ba doon sa 5-day rule? 5-day?
I think
Five
it
calendar.
was referred to the committee, the privilege speech. Yes, pasok naman na Congressman Paduano. So Congressman Robert Ace Barbers is acknowledged, sir. So Congresswoman Matibag, you are recognized. Go ahead. Yes, Congressman Ako, please.
You were asking the body kung itatackle natin. Tapos ngayon, nakapag-rule ka na without asking the body. I think that is whimsical and arbitrary, Mr. Chair.
No, Chairman Ako, hindi
yes,
po.
I still have the floor,
Sige,
I think.
go ahead. Oh.
There is such a thing as out of order. If it is not included in the agenda, even in the floor, and if you tackle that, you are out of order.
Mr. Chair, Congressman Ako, we will not be tackling that resolution right now. That's the reason why I'm
Hindi
asking.
ko naman sinasabi.
No.
Sandali lang.
No,
Patapusin
wait.
mo kasi
Order.
ako eh. I
What
still have the floor.
No, I'm trying to get your time because I am the chairman. What I wanted to
Sige,
explain.
if that is
Mr.
what you want, sige.
Mr. Chairman, what I'm trying to point out is that a while ago, Congresswoman Matibag was implying through her manifestation that he wanted to include her privilege speech on the discussion of the resolution. But I tried to put it into the floor by having the body to act on it. But we will not be discussing the merit of the privilege speech right now. What I'm trying to say with the indulgence of Congressman Akop is that the approval of the body that we will be including her privilege speech on the next hearing.
No, Mr. Chairman. Ganito lang po.
Pa-recognize ka muna.
Chairman.
Before
Can I be
I recognize you, Congressman Paduano, may I be allowed to acknowledge the presence of Congressman Ruel Peter Gonzaga? Now you are recognized.
Thank you, Chairman. Mr. Chairman, ganito lang po. Sinabi ko, I have already established if that privilege speech was referred to this committee, pasok dun sa 5-day rule natin, 5 calendar day rule, pwede talaga. Somebody has to move, na ipasok mo, then we'll vote if we have a quorum. Di ba? That's why, Mr. Chairman,
No.
your ruling should be right after that motion. If ever members
No,
will...
I haven't ruled yet. What I'm trying to tell is for her to have a motion.
And then
Ang
that's
sabi ko
just
kanina,
only my point.
wait. What I said was, because manifestation yon, now I'm trying to to change it to a motion. Hindi po ako nag-rule, Congressman Paduano. What I'm trying to tell is to change the manifestation to a motion. Pasok. Oh, so motion, please.
Mr. Chair, I may move to be included in the hearing of the resolution
Respect the chairman, please.
directing the appropriate House Committee to conduct an inquiry in aid of
Wait for a while. What I wanted is that we respect each other. You have your own committees, and I'm following the rules of this Congress, and it's also right that we debate on something, but when the chairman is speaking, respect the chairman, please. We are all co-equal.